What's the meaning of CTC? CTC. CTC.
CTC. CTC. CTC stands for Connecticut College. It is a private liberal arts college located in New London, Connecticut, USA. The college was founded in 1911 and offers undergraduate degrees in more than 50 majors. Its campus covers over 750 acres and includes 7 residential halls, athletic facilities, and a library with over 580,000 volumes. CTC has a diverse student body of approximately 2,000 students from across the United States and around the world. The college is known for its strong academic programs, engaging faculty, and commitment to community service and sustainability.